show you some tricks you can do using the law of inertia that are guaranteed to amaze your friends. They're gonna be easy, but it's gonna take a little bit of practice as well, all right? So you'll need some playing cards. Anything will do. This first one is really, really cool. It's gonna take a little bit of practice. You're gonna balance the playing card right on your finger like this, and then you take a quarter, not your quarter, a friend's quarter, of course, and you put this here, and now here is the challenge. The bet is that I can sneak the card out from underneath the quarter, leaving the quarter balanced on my finger, and I'll never touch the quarter in the whole process. Got it? Remember, the quarter has inertia, right? It has mass, tendency of an object to stay at rest until a force acts upon it. If I can snap that card out of the way, we should leave the quarter in place. Here we go. Bam, easy as a snap, and you win the quarter. The quarter has inertia. It stays there because there's very little friction from the card to pull the quarter off